giving us all that information. Now, the Congress leader Supriya Shrinet hails Dr. Manmohan Singh as the architect of India's economy as she pays her last respects to his political prosperity, calling his legacy unparalleled. Listen into what she said.
आपने बहुत पहले कहा था कि इतिहास मुझे मीडिया से ज़्यादा संवेदनशीलता से गढ़ेगा और उसका सच आज देश के सामने है। मेरा अपना मानना है कि डॉक्टर साहब ने ना सिर्फ इस देश में एक नए मिडिल क्लास को जन्म दिया, नई ग्रोथ को जन्म दिया, मल्टीनेशनल्स को जन्म दिया, इकोनॉमिक प्रॉस्पेरिटी लाए, पर जिस तरह से उन्होंने पॉलिटिकल स्टेबिलिटी लाए, जिस चीज़ में वो यकीन रखते थे, चाहे वो न्यूक्लियर ट्रीटी हो, जिस तरह से जिस दृढ़ता से उसके साथ खड़े हुए, ये उनकी एक बहुत बड़ी देन है इस देश को। जिनके सामने विश्व सर झुकाता था, जिनके सामने अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति बोलता था, जब डॉक्टर साहब बोलते हैं तो लोग सुनते हैं, वो सबने देखा है। मुझे अभी भी याद है 5 मिनट की वो तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया अनाउंस हुआ था और पूरी अमेरिकी सदन ताली बजा रही थी। तो बहुत बड़ी क्षति है, लेकिन अपने पीछे एक बहुत बड़ी लेगेसी, एक बहुत बड़ा यादों का कारवां और सबके बाद इतना संवेदनशील और इतना गरिमामय रहना कि उनका अपोनेंट भी कायल हो जाए, ये उनकी खासियत है।
Anand back on the telecast with me. Anand, tomorrow is when his last journey will begin, where his last remains, his mortal remains will be taken to the AICC headquarters. Are there any big faces besides the one that have already arrived in Delhi from different parts of the country who've paid their last respects? Is there likelihood there are more other leaders who are scheduled to come to Delhi tomorrow?
Yeah, Megha, look, no doubt former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh demise is a very huge loss, as Congress leader Supriya Shrinet and several of the party leaders had described the same. And looking at the stature of the former Prime Minister and his statesmanship, several of the party leaders from across the country, including Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, he visited and he paid his last respect, last tribute to the former Prime Minister. Similarly, DMK and DMK leader and Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin is also all set to arrive at the residence of the former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. Beside him, Mamata Banerjee and several of the senior leaders from other parties, including the Shiv Sena, UBT and even NCP Sharad Pawar party, they all will be visiting the residence of the former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh to pay their last tribute and to pay respect to him. And earlier in the day, we saw that how several of the Congress dignitaries, including Party President Mallikarjun Kharge, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and all the top leadership of the Congress went there to pay their last respect to the former Prime Minister.
Yes.
We saw in the visuals that how
visuals,
several of the
visuals on our screens depicting just that. Stay on with me, Anand. Tributes are now pouring in from former Prime Minister in for Dr. Manmohan Singh. Congress leader Sachin Pilot